Hello guys, good morning to all and welcome to the channel about jobs. In this video I'm going to sharing about the requirements from Dubai. I hope this information will be needful for your careers. This is the latest openings from Dubai, and in this video I will share with you what is the positions, what is the requirement from the employer or the company, and what is the basic requirements to apply for these jobs, and what is the applying process. So please keep watching this video up to end. Let's start. Work in Dubai. You can see here urgent requirement for EJADAII Management Co. LLC Dubai maintenance project. It's a company and it will conduct for a maintenance project, and they want to hiring some candidates in different sectors and different positions. So let's know. Then I will share with you the official address and what is the applying process. Number one, they need electrician. They need 50 candidates. They will pay the salary 1080 plus 720, total 1800 Dubai dirham. The currency of Dubai is dirham. I hope you all know that. And you can calculate one Dubai dirham equal to your home country currency. You can search in Google or you can find in Google. So they will pay in dirham Dubai currency. So position number two, junior electrician. They need 25 candidates for junior electricians. They will pay 1500 dirham. Number three, they need plumber 60 candidates. They will pay 1500 dirhams. And they need AC technician 40 candidates and they will pay 1800 dirhams. Then junior AC technician, they need 20 candidates. They will pay 1500 dirham. Next, multi technician, they will need 40 candidates and they will pay 2500 dirham. Then HVAC technician, they need 20 candidates and they will pay 2000 dirham salary. Then furniture carpenter, they need 25 candidates, they will pay 1500 dirham. Then painter, they need 25 candidates and they will pay 1500 dirham. Supervisor MEP, they need 5 candidates and they will pay 4000 dirham. Supervisor civil, they need 5 candidates and they will pay 4000 dirham. Next, senior AC technician, they need 6 candidates and they will pay 3000 dirham. So as you can see here, they need different types of positions, and they already mentioned how many candidates they need. Okay, the quantity of the candidates, and already they mentioned what is the official informations, so don't be confused, and it's very genuine and it's truth. So what is the requirement from the company, they already mentioned, and what will be the salary, they already mentioned, and what is the quantity of candidates, they already mentioned. So you can see here. So next come to the points is what is the documents required for this apply for these jobs and what is the applying process. So as you can see here, if you are interested any of these positions, you can apply as soon as possible. They will take client interview in their office, so as soon as possible you can apply. So let's know what is the another notes. Duty 8 hours. It's as usual, every country you have to go to work, you have to work only 8 hours duty. Then overtime is checked separate. Next, free accommodation, transportation, and medical insurance provided. It's very genuine and it's a truth. Any of country you will go with the jobs, they will pay arrange free accommodations and transportations and medical insurance. In some of case, some company they never pay for transportation and free accommodations, but they will give the money for that. So this company will give the facility of accommodations and transportations and medical insurance. And I would like to say here one thing, any country you have to go to job, then you need a medical insurance to update your visa, because in every country if you want to renew your visa or you want to extend your visa, you need a medical insurance, it's mandatory. So they will provide the accommodations, the transportations, and the medical insurance. It's a good and better chance for your careers. So you have to do 8 hours duty, and they need ITI diploma compulsory, not required for painter and furniture carpenter. So for painter and for furniture carpenter, they don't need any ITI or diploma holders. In other cases, they need ITI and diploma holders. Basic English required, understanding job order. Job order means if you want to work in a project, you will get some job order like to maintain electric departments, civil departments, or plumbing departments, they are have some problems, they report, and you will get a job order. So you should have the knowledge to understand the job order. Then what is the problem, what is the issue, then you can solve it. So construction experience will not be considered. If not ITI or diploma, then candidates should have good golf experience. So they mention if you have no diploma or ITI but you have golf experience, there they will accept. It's a good chance for you. Then next point, candidates should bring original passport and certificates for interview. So when you will go to interview to the office, you have to take original passport with your original certificates. So everything they need, I already told you, and I here already mentioned. You can see here the all information is in front of you. Don't be confused. So you can directly visit to this office. You can collect now this official address, and they have provide the number, they have provide the email ID. You can visit. This office is in New Delhi. So if you want to apply for this any of these positions, you can visit this office, or you can call them, or you can email your documents. Then they will ask that what your original passport and your certificates. Then as they mentions, this information is very important, you should have to read it carefully. So don't be confused. This all information I provided in the description under the video. Go to the description under this video and collect this all informations. And if you are interested to apply for any of these positions, then you can apply by visit their office in New Delhi, or you can directly call them, or you can email your documents. You can ask for interview date or for job confirmations. One thing I would like to say here, I already told the same things in my previous videos. Once again, I would like to tell here, please never give a single money to any persons before you getting job or before you getting work visa. So please keep in mind the same things I already told in my previous videos, because if you provide any money to a persons and you will face cheating, I am not responsible for that. I am telling you again and again, and I already told the same things in my previous videos. So you should have to go to the office, you have to verify, you have to check about the job requirements, and you have to apply, then you can attend the interview, then after you get the jobs you can talk about money. So be careful for that. So now here I would like to once again highlighted you, they have several types of positions, they needs so many candidates for different sectors. So if you are interested, you want to apply, then you have the conditions as they already mentioned, and you have to visit this office directly, or you can call them, or you can email your documents. Then you can apply for these jobs, then you can get appointment date for interview, for client interview. Then if you will get success from interview, then you can proceed for work visa and you can move to Dubai with your jobs. This is the all important things I am sharing with you. Please don't be confused, don't be worried. If you are interested to apply, you should have the golf experience. If you have no ITI or diploma, and you should have bring your passport, original passport and certificates, and to visit the office direct, or you can directly contact them, or you can directly send your email certificates to the emails. I'm telling you again and again, because before my previous videos I'm getting so many confusing comments about so many questions how to apply. Don't be confused, I already mentioned you the official address here. So you can directly visit the office, and you can verify this office, and you can check this office, and you can ask about the requirements and the interview dates, and you can attend this interview for these requirements. So this all information is already in the descriptions under the video. Don't be confused. If you have to facing the problems to understand this, you can go to the descriptions and read it carefully, all the informations, what is the requirements, what is the quantity of candidates they need, what is the salary they will pay, and what you should have to bring with you during interview. Everything details is there, you can read it carefully, then you can directly visit them. I'm telling you 3 to 4 times, so don't be confused. If you want a job with Dubai, move fast and apply as soon as possible, and quickly visit to the office for these requirements. So finally I would like to say you many thanks for your valuable time. Bye bye.